Welcome to Shree's Kitchen. Today I am going to do very yummy Dahi Puri. Let's get started. We need to take around 1 cup of curd. For that, add around 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it. Now take 1 boiled potato. For that, mix a pinch of salt, pinch of chaat masala and around 2 spoons of chopped onions. Mix it well. Now take the puris and make a hole in the middle of the puri like this and arrange these puris in a plate. Now stuff these puris using the potato stuff and tomatoes. Now sweet chutney, green chutney, and curd. Now if you want, again sprinkle little bit onion and tomatoes. Now sprinkle chaat masala, red chili powder and pinch of salt. Now with a Nylon Sev. One more time again add curd. Then garnish with a sweet chutney, green chutney and finally using coriander leaves. Now the very yummy Dahi Puri is ready to serve. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and comment my channel. Thank you.